Wait. So here are my thoughts about this 3D mascara. So let's discuss the pros and cons of this product based on the 16-hour wear test and also from casually just trying it on. For the pros, volumizing capability, I'm really happy with it, even though you have thin Asian lashes, which is actually my lashes. Next is that it can be used for thin lower lashes since very precise yung applicator niya. It is very small, so you can just easily slip it onto your bags. Great for travel. It is actually waterproof. Wait. Yan. So far, I don't see any smudges naman. So, as you can see, I really sprayed a lot of water. So for the last pro, it actually keeps your lashes up for as long as it can, even after my 16-hour wear test. After 16 hours and going into different environments, doing different activities, I was able to see na naka-curl up pa rin yung lashes ko the moment I go home. That's a really good performance for this product. So let's go to the cons. First con is short one. Upon application, challenging lang for me because as you can see, short lang yung length niya. So, you have to really be careful sa pag-apply mo. You have to make sure na hindi siya mababangga on your lid, which is somehow challenging for me as someone who is also very clumsy and struggles with fine movements. But I understand na yung design naman ng product na to is really for precision. So, I think that's one of the reason for the short one and maybe for metal rod mascaras, short lang talaga yung ones na ginagamit. Next, once nag-set siya on your lashes, it's really hard to separate the lashes na. If you can see my lashes here, so I didn't comb my lashes before putting on the mascara. Parang nagka-clump up lang siya together and ang hirap niyang paghiwalayin while applying it. In order to prevent this, I think you can just comb your lashes before putting on the mascara to make sure na separate siya mag-apply. Last con for me is that it takes a lot of coats before you get to your desired length. For me, umabot pa ako ng 5 coats talaga. If you would observe here on my lashes, hindi talaga siya ganun kahaba. I was able to wear test this for 16 hours, no retouch the whole day, and no blotting as well. So, after 4 hours, nagkaroon ako ng konting smudge. Hindi ko lang sure kung mascara talaga yung nag-smudge or yung eyeliner. I just